The modern hardware market is a sea of indistinguishable parts. You are immediately hit with an overwhelming volume of processors, graphics cards, and configurations. For the average person, this abundance makes buying a computer a paralyzing task. Without specialized knowledge, the risk of a costly mistake remains high. Nasratella Nasseri faced this exact challenge. As a university student, he needed a reliable PC to handle heavy academic projects and daily workflows. But the second-hand market made him anxious. He was concerned about hidden hardware defects, scratched screens, and finding a seller he could actually trust. Here, obtaining hardware feels less like a simple purchase and more like a high-stakes financial gamble. Sulaiman Computer Store, located on the second floor of the Kaftan Zadran market, was established to address that specific anxiety. Their strategy is a structured framework, the smart purchasing ecosystem. Customers navigate 3 layers: pre-purchase consultation, guaranteed quality, and ongoing support. The red labels show the inefficiency and extra costs when layers are missing. A smart purchase only happens at the center intersection. The process begins by filtering thousands of hardware configurations down to the single best option for your specific work. This is known as the consultation pillar. This diagram shows the methodology. The team takes the chaotic array of market choices at the top and funnels them through a strict analysis of your actual needs to identify a single, optimal system at the bottom. This chart maps hardware allocation to specific task profiles, comparing heavy rendering, professional gaming, and office work. Notice the bottom percentage sliders. Rendering requires 100% focus on raw processing power, while office tasks need a 30% baseline for speed and portability. This filtering process is now available through the Sulaiman app for Android, iOS, and Windows, which includes a free artificial intelligence assistant. You can chat with this AI directly to get tailored hardware recommendations based on the specific software you use before ever touching a physical device. Using AI during the consultation phase replaces guesswork with data. It allows the buyer to make a calculated decision backed by technical requirements. Once the specs are decided, the focus shifts to the second pillar, guaranteed quality. This addresses the fear of unreliable second-hand gear. The store's inventory is maintained to a specific physical standard. The shelves are filled with uniform, unblemished silver laptops from Dell and Apple. When Nasseri inspected the hardware, he saw this standard in person. Even second-hand screens are tightly wrapped in protective plastic film to prevent any scratches before the unit reaches the customer. This standard extends to high-end desktop components, like this MSI motherboard, all available at wholesale pricing. Meticulously maintaining the physical condition of the inventory reduces the risks usually associated with the second-hand market. The final ring of the ecosystem is support, which provides security long after the purchase is complete. This third icon, the shield with the infinity symbol, represents the commitment to continuous after-sale services and technical assistance. Access to ongoing technical support provides a layer of reliability that the standard second-hand market often lacks. Nasratella Nasseri obtained his computer by following this structured ecosystem. The result was a machine optimized for his specific projects, featuring a clean display and backed by a physical guarantee. The methodology at Sulaiman Computer Store represents a change in the regional retail landscape. This system replaces the practice of buying whatever happens to be on the shelf with a disciplined, data-driven approach. A modern purchase is now driven by a combination of physical inventory standards, specialized knowledge, and artificial intelligence. You can begin your next build by downloading the Sulaiman app and consulting the AI assistant for your specific requirements. Securing the right hardware depends on connecting with an integrated, risk-free ecosystem.